Yeah, Don is a blessing, my nigga. Don is a blessing, my nigga. One up production, nigga. Always keep that motherfucker, right? No face affiliation. All the time, man. See, now if you niggas knew me, man, you niggas love me, nigga. At the beginning, the ones who do, they already know what the fuck it is, nigga. Yeah. Always that way. Life bugs glossy. One glance could be costly. Medusa's turn you to stone. Mine will leave you frosty, cold inside. So you can feel the pain coming from windows left open. Releasing the same, our streets are drained. Only teddy bears remain. Cemeteries packed just like that prison cage. I've been through mazes. Shootouts amazing. Ambush literally from the bushes they spray from. Came back and gave something. Damn, they ain't budging. Caught a hold on my right side. I had to wake something. Seen too much, way too much, but soaked it up like sponges. Never knew that prison must be where I had my function. Four more bars and line punches. And truth to be told, pupils been over from Cottage Grove to Juno. So how the fuck would you know what my life is? I'm going mad like Cujo. The story behind my eyelids.
When you look into my eyes, you see me inside eye. You see me behind the door with one window. Head down to my thighs and crying. When you look into my eyes, you see me inside eye. You see me behind the door with one window. Head down to my thighs and crying.
What up? It's your boy Tommy G. Tommy G. What I want y'all to do is hit that like and subscribe button. And we're going to continue this. How we going to begin, bro? Sisters. Kings and queens, excuse me. It's another episode of Coffee and Cannabis. And I'm here to do this. Right there. Just plain and simple, bro. Now, I've been bringing y'all stories of my life concerning my little prison stint. And I can't stand the private prison situation, bro. Now, it could have been something that would have been positive for the growth and development of people that's trying to reconstruct them lives that's in prison. You know, like me. I went to prison, bro. I really went on no wild shit. I wanted to get the fuck out of there. So I was doing everything right, nigga. Going to school, trying to get my education up. Then hopefully once I got my GED or HSED, which I end up getting, plus 2 years of college, plus a trade, plus I got a master's student degree. Everybody saying? Anyway, all this was put to a halt, bro, in December of 1998. Now, mind you, I had just graduated from, custodial services and landscaping class. I got an actual Wisconsin University degree in that. Also, I got a Wisconsin University degree in being a master's student, knowing how to study and collect certain evidences and doing research and coming out with, my hypothesis on the subject, whatever that subject may be. But yeah, I was doing such things as that, or those things, however you want to say it. I'm trying to sound intelligent, which I am, but sometimes I get a little, hey. Let's blame that. But anyway, on some real shit, bro, I shouldn't have been sent from Wisconsin prison to an Oklahoma private prison. Or any private prison, especially those of us who were in there, who had programming going on, who had things they were looking forward to that was going to help them move on and be better. Like once I finished school, which I wasn't able to finish in Wisconsin nor Oklahoma private prison CCA SARE, because the program got there late, almost a year. Then there was a waiting list for those of us who were already enrolled. So when we get down there, we got to sit for at least a year, bro. or either work in the kitchen, work in the gym, just work, and mind you, not get paid like that because Wisconsin had an issue with the money. Sending it down there, paying for us to be down there. This is the shit I'm talking about. Now, I would agree with private prison if they were stepping up where the actual DOCs weren't, or the federal prisons. But as far as I knew, bro, everything was going well with the DOCs. It was just the profit. It was money. That's why Clinton passed all them laws to get us locked up. That dude wasn't the first black president. The motherfucker was actually a Nazi towards us, bro. He the motherfucking reason we can't get our driver's licenses if we missed a few payments on child support. Now, motherfucker, how am I supposed to get to work? The bus? Now, mind you, the bus may, goddamn, it costs about $10 a day. And I work 6 days a week, so now here goes $60 on the bus. Or even more with a cab, because you took away my license to drive because I missed a few payments. And me and my girl may have had an agreement to where I just pay her and not have to go through the government. But here it is, Mr. Clinton. You implied that law along with the RICO Act. And along with the privatization of prisons, where people would profit off of it. Now I understand if they stepped up and they were offering programs and opportunities for individuals where the DOC couldn't do it. But no, it was for the complete profit, the pockets of those all on white people faces. And they let a few niggas in. They let a few actors and athletes in there too. But the main person is them government officials, like the governor Tommy Thompson and the governor of Minnesota. They wives had strong stock in that shit, bro, right when that stuff was started to boom with the private prison industry. Everything was straight. And bro, we didn't have, in the 80s, like early 80s and 70s, I ain't gonna say I'm gonna say prisons didn't have TVs and radios and programs. Bro, literally, Larry Hoover and the Pontiac 17, look them up, the Pontiac 17, suffered so we can get these programs, bro. So we can have education, so we can learn how to do such things in trades and get out and be positive, productive people in our society. And the government made it happen once, I guess, a few people had to die in Illinois. It seemed like stuff always started in the Midwest, especially Chicago, bro. And Larry Hoover and them did that, bro. Jeff Fort and them did that. They did. Willie Lloyd and them did that, bro. They made sure we had TVs, radios, and educations and stuff. They had to share one TV in the cell. Y'all seen that movie Penitentiary? Nigga, you know it's plenty fights, nigga, behind that shit. We ain't watching no boxing. What, nigga? No. We ain't watching no game. What, nigga? No. Nigga, no. So one little black and white ass TV in the middle of a motherfucking jail cell hall, bro. Cell hall. Yeah, prison was dangerous as hell, bro. Larry made that, man. Larry and his cohorts made that well for us. And the government agreed and turned around and said, "Now we're gonna put these private prisons out here and take everything from them." They didn't give us nothing. All the stuff that was afforded to us in Wisconsin, as far as education and gaining some type of financial stability, because Wisconsin will do that, bro. You can leave there with almost 50, 60,000, depends on the time you got. But at least 20, 30, yeah, Wisconsin, that's sweet when it comes to getting education and working and advancing. But you still have assholes in there. But you rather, man, you know, it's the lesser of two evils, bro. That's what Wisconsin was concerning private prison industry. And that's just the real. That's just what's real. We ain't never, goddamn it, motherfuckers want to just go in there and be revolting and be assholes. And no, bro, motherfuckers want to go home. Facts. Some people went in there with fucked up attitudes, so they felt they ain't never going. Man, I'd have been the same way, nigga. I ain't going home. I'm finna try to have sex with all type of women guards. Man, If I don't go to God and ask him to get me up out of there, which I probably would end up doing. But if I gave up, bro, on the real, it ain't, I'm being somewhere locked all the way down, bro. In the hole of a hole. They basically did it to me anyway. Serious. I could bring up several issues, bro, concerning, that, with the money thing concerning prisons, bro. Do y'all see what I'm saying? It's like these people are gaining fame and fortune off our pains and tortures. There's no rehabilitation in private prisons. They actually took from me, bro. I didn't gain nothing. I was gaining in Wisconsin when I was doing my times. I would go home and eventually take my original case back to court. Now here it is, I catch an extra case, bro, for some garbage. Well, I didn't catch nothing. They threw it at me and it fell on top of me like a ton of bricks. It held me down for 6 years out of 10. Well, out of the 10 they gave me down there. Don't feel sorry for me. I made it out, bro. I'm happy. I'm just thinking about those who are in there, bro, that may not be happy, bro, that may be giving up. These guys out there that done gave up, bro, and killed themselves rather doing the type of shit I done did. The type of time, I'm going to say. I'm going to start watching my mouth a little more. Forgive me, If I say God bless and good morning, God bless and good morning. But sometimes we get upset, bro, and get out of our body concerning situations that shouldn't be taking place. Like, what got me angry today, bro, the Rittenhouse situation, the Kyle Rittenhouse. How is it this white boy get away with that? He from out of town. He was from Indiana. That was intentional homicide. If you were there to help in a protest, you were supposed to just been there with either your fist or even a baton or something. But you weren't supposed to be there to shoot nobody. What you gonna do? Shoot somebody if they's breaking into a store that you didn't own? That's premeditated murder, man. That man came there. They had y'all know the conversation. Yeah, we're gonna kill anybody who would have got line. Ooh. And then he be the only one to do the dumb shit, bro. Because he was scared. Somebody's supposed to be responsible. And it should have been him. He literally should have got the death penalty. And then eventually they take it off of him because he was a kid who was manipulated by a group of individuals. But he should be in jail. They threw several kids, bro, that was younger than him for lesser crimes right in prison, bro. But they y'all don't see that this set up? A jury found him not guilty. A jury of his peers. You ain't got to be from another state. They peers are white people, bro. They peers are who it was. It's white people. They seen the man was guilty. There was no excuse for what he did. They didn't get none of our brothers and sisters an excuse for what they done. Some people really protected themselves from danger and ended up with 20, 30 years, bro. I got guys who got robbed, bro, was finna get killed. They end up taking out the person, goddamn it, who tried to get them. We can't get 25, 30 years. They out now. The fact they had to do that much time, bro, and get out and their kids is grown. Garbage. Complete garbage. And I just feel like to just mention that. I seen a white boy get, man, a little white dude killed his girlfriend, a little Asian and black girl. And the mom and dad helped bury the body. Man, that boy only got 2 years because the white lady said, I don't feel he should go to prison. He too young. But she turned right around and sent a young black dude in there for drugs, bro. Sent him right to prison. Right after she just told dude he going to juvenile for 2 years for killing and burying the body of a 15-year-old girl. And his parents helped him. None of them got nothing. He only got 2 years in a juvenile. And then it was for a psych evaluation. It wasn't even to do no time. So he gonna be separated from the rest of the population. And them niggas, they young, they don't give a fuck what he in there for. They gonna bully him anyway, because he a little white kid. But she took that punishment away from him And that mog had the nerve to walk out the courtroom. Pouty, G. I'm watching it on the news in like 2002, 2003. Fuck me up. Fuck me completely up. And I'm sitting there and got a murder. My case was kind of, it wasn't fucked. I had a few armed robberies. I did. But I should have did no 15 years and the motherfucker killed somebody, killed 2 people and shoot another, only get nothing. He should have gave me a slap on the wrist or some shit. For real. And there's plenty cases in there like that, bro. Plenty cases. Child molesters get out like 2-3 years. Facts. And go to minimums. Facts. I'm saying you done ruined this child's life forever. Yeah, that's the death penalty. And they get 2-3 years, a slap on the wrist, and possibly, then they can go back to court and get the shit taken off of them. Long as they out of trouble. Yeah, they'll label them child molesters, put them out on the street, but then they got ways and loopholes for them to go back and get the shit taken off of them. Even if they got money. Shit like that. Shit like that. Now, here's another strong situation, bro. Strong one, man. I know there's one guy, and this is real hurtful, bro. Old man, probably 62 years old, one of my cellies. He had 99 years. 3 33s back to back, consecutive, for an ounce of dope that he was doing with a white woman. Now, the white woman, she the one had him arrested because he didn't want to share no more dope with her. And they've been doing dope. Y'all, they do the dope, having sex all day, all night for 2 or 3 days, man. He ain't got a held hostage or nothing. They even proved it. The people at the front desk of the motel they was in was saying, hey, she was the one coming out, buying food, getting ice, going up to the restaurants, coming back, smelling like sex at times, happy. She didn't act like she was being held hostage and raped. But because that white woman said, he raped me repeatedly 3 times. They gave him 33 years for each time he got up. He's 65 years old, bro. And they knew he didn't do this. This shit I'm talking about, bro. I had another guy. This is how fucked up Oklahoma is. Old man. He used to always say his age, man, I'm 57 years old, man. And people gave me 35 years for something that wasn't mine. And they knew it wasn't mine. Guess what it was, bro? Marijuana seeds. Yep. The man let his son use his car. They smoking weed in the car. I guess they had some Bama or something, some Rago. This is years ago, though. This is like when I was in Oklahoma, 2004. Yeah, like 2004. And the man, like I said, let his son use the car. Son smoking weed with his guys. And they end up leaving a few seeds in there. Mind you, he from Kansas City. That's even more fucked up. He ain't even from Oklahoma. The man get his car. He traveling. He finna go to Texas. You got to drive through Oklahoma to get to Texas. He gets pulled over, bro. They don't smell no weed or nothing. Just him being a black man, pull him over, his license valid and everything, bro. He just know he finna be cool. They go in the car and find some motherfucking marijuana seeds with all type of lint on them, bro. You can tell the seeds, bro. I seen the pictures. You can tell the seeds been in there for at least 2-3 months, if not longer, nigga. Bro, they gave the man 35 years for manufacturing. Yes, manufacturing marijuana. 35 years in Oklahoma, bro. For seeds. No investigations on nothing. This ain't the drug dealer. He ain't no pounds in the car, nothing. They charged a man with manufacturing drugs and gave him 35 years. And he was 57 years old. That's the shit I'm talking about. Wow. There's so many cases like that, bro. There's so many people getting hurt. So many women, bro, that went down behind, maintaining a dwelling, which is a drug house. And they really get severely boo-booed on by the system, man. A lot of women ain't gonna give up the men. Why should they? The man provide for them, bro. And y'all won't let us have jobs. Won't let us, elevate and escalate in a society where we can, take care of our people and make sure our kids and our wife is happy. But y'all got something coming. Messing with the wrong people. But at the same time, my people need to wake up. It ain't about material shit here. It's about uplifting the spiritual. And all that other stuff gonna follow. Like I said, this country was already built before they got here. We need to just take our shit back. We the aboriginals. We the natives. We ain't black. We reddish brown. We're handsome people. Well-rounded and muscular. We're not African. This is our land. Period. This is our land right here. It's in the Bible. Read Deuteronomy. Read Deuteronomy 28. And read Revelation 17 and 18. You will see that is us. And every time Babylon is mentioned in the Bible, when they say New Babylon, Babylon in the latter days, that is this place, bro. That is America. The United States. Central and Canada. Just take that heed, bro. We God's chosen people. And he got us. Like I said before, tornadoes don't hit ghettos and prisons. Natural disasters don't hit ghettos and prisons. Whatever was sent at New Orleans was sent there by something human. That wasn't natural. That wasn't a spiritual thing. People said they heard the levees getting blown up. They heard the levees getting blown up, bro. So, yeah, take that into consideration, fam. And it was a lot of audio and video of this stuff, bro, that they really got rid of. They got pictures and audio of the levees being blown up in New Orleans. It was about moving the people up out of there. People found out a way to manipulate the weather. They hate us that much. Horrible. Too horrible. Well, I think I can leave y'all on a good note. I remember a fight I had, bro. Now, me and dude, we was pretty cool. But I guess he seen something about me that he wanted to test. So we had to make a little wager, bro. Made a little bet. I forget what the bet was about, but it was something silly. But man, one of us wrong. It was like the answer was 18, but he said 17 and I said 19. Some shit like that. Or something like that. Something in that range, bro, was that ignorant. Anyway, I'm smiling like, I don't give a fuck, nigga. I ain't gonna keep arguing with you, bro. Ooh, nigga, I'm a gangster. I don't do that shit. Was silly, bro. Real, we cool. Why this nigga say you ain't gonna pay me? I'm like, no, nigga, I ain't gonna pay you, nigga. You know what I'm saying? No, nigga. Fuck you mean? You ain't, nigga. You gonna pay me, nigga. Period. Or we ain't gonna be paying each other. Wham, nigga stole on me. I'm like, what the fuck? Nigga, so nigga, bah, steal the nigga back, nigga, on everything. So we were top tier, nigga. Police ain't wanting us on. Nigga, we going at it, nigga, right on the tier, nigga. So, bam, I do a move like smacking, like backwards, and pushed him into the motherfucking room, nigga. Bam! Nigga, the shit was funny as hell, like the nigga stole on me from through the bah! I'm like, okay, bitch ass nigga. So, we going at it, bro. Why, fam? No lie. Dude was like a neutron from Texas. Now, niggas knew me down there. I got associated. I got association affiliations. So niggas like, hold on, fam. We know dude don't be on no bullshit. This how savage these guys. Man. So they run up to the cell. They big old thing. They separate on everybody in the motherfucking room and shit. Cause it was like 4 of us in there. Two of us fighting, 2 of us trying to stop each other from fighting, type of shit. They think it's some type of Royal Rumble. Come in that motherfucker, everybody like, bro, y'all gotta chill the bubble. Ooh, they watching y'all from the bubble. Like, all right, we chill out. My eye looking like this. I'm like, okay, nigga, it ain't fat enough. It's just closed and it's red. Cause he got a good one in him. Bro, he stole the shit out of me, bro. I'm like, okay, no, fuck you up, nigga. Can't wait to get your ass, bro. I'm gonna eat you, nigga. For real. So everything calmed down. Woo. So I'm mad as hell. I'm by myself, waiting for everything to go down, you know what I'm saying, with the people coming through doing their rounds and shit. And mind you, we can do count in Oklahoma outside our room. We ain't got to be in the cell locked in like Wisconsin a lot of time. Why? Because they coming to do the count. Officer coming up the stairs. I'm upstairs. They coming up the stairs to do the count. They counted downstairs already. As they coming, this smog is coming from the other way, bro. Towards me. Motherfucker like, dog, you know it's count. But I ain't hearing that shit. Nigga. That's how niggas is. And then come over there and try to drop kick me, G. Like, he gets like the second door from my cell and start running. And try to drop kick me. Nigga, I promise I grabbed that nigga leg, bro, right there. Bro, listen, this happened. The lady, she coming up the stairs. You can see her head coming up. There's 2 of them in there. One of them still at the bottom of the stairs. And he tried to kick me, bro. He jumps in the air. I grab him by his leg, nigga. In his shirt. Mouth! Right there on his motherfucking mouth. Woo! He jumped right up, look at me like, woo! Take right off to the motherfucking cell, nigga. Shut his door. Looking out the motherfucker, clean his mouth and everything. Why you tell on me? This is how I beat it. Nigga, the camera was running. And they seen this mob run from his cell all the way to me to try to drop kick me, bro. I ain't gonna lie, the motherfucker straight, the foot scraped my chest, but I was able to catch him and had my hand within his shirt under here, nigga. And slammed his face right into that motherfucking concrete, nigga. He jumped right up, though. And took off running, nigga, like, right back to his cell and shut the door. The lady like, hey, what was that all about? Now I'm fixing my clothes. I'm like, this shit happened that fast. But I'm telling you, fights in prisons don't happen. They don't be long. It should be split seconds. And that's what that was with me. And that's like one of the I had like, bro, very few encounters. But for some reason, that nigga wanted to test me. I was already whooping him in the cell. He's got 2 free ones in on me because I didn't know the shit was coming. But that's the type of shit that happened in prison. I ain't mad at the nigga. I ain't mad at all. But his dumb ass went to the hole. And we was in the program unit. Wow. So, shout out to corporate. Wow. For real. That's the type of shit, bro. Anyway, I think that's the end of my session. Like I said, this is Coffee and Cannabis, talking to your boy, Tommy G. Hit that like and subscribe button. And like I said, if you got any questions, want to ask me anything, talk to me, bro. I'm here. Your boy is here. And I'm here to support, educate, and give my input, man. And that's one of the best things I can do, bro. I want to help. That's all. I just want to be able to assist. I'm doing all right, but I can be doing better. And the only thing I can pray for is that our hearts get widened, where we help each other. Love each other. Like I said, y'all, love first, peace later. Y'all know what that means. If you seen my videos, Check them out. Much love always, and God bless. We out of here, man. Till next time.
What up? Check it out. What's that? Hold this. We gotta get up out of here. G and I help over here. What? Come on, let's ride. When you hear we coming, it sounds as if we're stomping on landmines. Handling, we function straight up dumping, we mankind. When Busterism and chronic hating be transpire, he comes with Calico, Desert Eagle, 44 and 9. Crown leaning to the right of my skull as I stroll it. We cross ways and decide to pistol play, it'll be known. This thing that they callin' a game is mostly pain. It's conducive, man, you know that there's no points to be made. Just deductions and some deadly concussions. When you a grow, best keep low, box your back, and you best to keep bustin'. Cause the opposing team didn't come to lose nothing. I main purpose and goal is to gain just a little respect from you busters. Cause we gon' play where we wants to play and ball where we wants to ball. If they gets the same that we can't, then fuck all them mogs. And matter of fact, fuck they mamas too. Cause the bitch is down for you whether you right or wrong. Cause that's the things that mamas do. But I can't blame her for the sins of her baby. I just hope that she's praying for him when I send him to Hades. With this young 380 close to his temple, next to his eye. Baka, Baka, my guy, bye-bye. If you look into my eyes, you see me inside lying. Behind that door with one window, head down on my thighs and crying. If you look into my eyes, you see me inside lying. Behind that door with one window, head down on my thighs and crying. If you look into my eyes, you see me inside lying. Behind the door with one window, head down on my thighs and crying. If you look into my eyes, you see me inside lying.